When I came here, I was recovering from a car accident, and unfortunately my dental health was one of the things that ended up getting sacrificed first. I was a little scared at the start, but after meeting Dr. Hawasli and the team and how smoothly the initial interview went to see what we could do about it, I felt really comfortable about coming back and having them end up replacing basically everything in the mouth. My teeth had been rotting for years, and there was no judgment, no recrimination. It was just, let's get this fixed. And that made me feel really, really good about coming back again. Everyone here the entire time has been just absolutely amazing. I can't say enough good about them because they made me feel at ease from the moment I got here up to us getting the imaging done for the permanent implants just now. And that makes me feel really comfortable about working with them, continually over the years. I would gladly recommend Dr. Hawasli. He actually had me talk to someone who was considering it, and I was like, you really want them to work on you, and here's why. And I would gladly recommend anybody who's thinking about it to come and talk to him.